Dear students, good morning to all. Now I am going to teach third standard mathematics. Okay, today our new chapter we will see about new chapter. Already lesson 1 is completed. I hope you are all completed what are the home assignment given for you. So today we start with the new lesson. Okay, so lesson 2, 4-digit number. So before going to teach the second chapter, we have to recall what are the things we learned in the first lesson. So what are the things we learned? So place value, number name, the standard forms, different way of writing the number, everything. Okay, now we will recall. So the place values, ones is denoted as O, then tens is denoted as T, 100 is denoted as H, and the 1000 is denoted as TH. Okay, these are the place value for the number. Okay, then what are the things we learn? 1 tens equal to 10 ones, 100 equal to 10 tens, then 1000 equal to 10 100. These are the things we learned in the previous lesson. Okay, now we see about the warm-up exercise in your book. Okay, what is given? Question is given, you have to observe the question, then you have to answer for the following. What's the question given? The distance of the hill station Simla from our capital New Delhi is about 342 kilometers, whereas the distance of Manali is about 540 kilometers from New Delhi. So what is given? So two hill station is given. Okay, one is Simla, another one is Manali. So these are the two hill station. The distance measured from New Delhi to that hill station. Okay, from New Delhi to Simla was the how many kilometers are there? 342 kilometers. Then from New Delhi to Manali, how many distance? 540 kilometers are there. Okay, from this one you have to understand this, you have to read this one, then you have to answer for the following question. Okay, now see the question. Okay, see the first question. Which hill station is further from New Delhi? What is the meaning for further? Means away from. Okay, long. Which one is long? So two hill stations are given. Among these two hill stations, which one is long? Distance away from the New Delhi. Okay. So what are the two hill stations given? Manali and Shimla. So the distance Shimla is 342 kilometer and Manali is 540 kilometer. Among these two distance, okay, one is 342 and another one is 540. So among these two, one which is the highest? 540 is the highest. Okay, greatest number. So the distance, which one has furthest distance? Further means long distance. So answer is Manali. So the hill station Manali is further from New Delhi. Okay. Now see the second one. Second one what? Which digit in the distance of Manali has the same place value and face value? Okay. So you have to see the distance of Manali. Among this digit, which one has same place value and face value? Already you learn about place value and face value, isn't it? Okay, so among in this digit, which one has same place? Now you see about the place value and face value for the number. What is the distance from Manali? 540. So for 540, first you have to write the place value. Ones, tens, 100. Okay, what's the place value of 0? Here in ones place, what number is there? 0. So the place value is 0. Then tens place 4 is there. So place value tens means you have to write 1 0. For 10, how many 0? 1 0. So 4 into 10, 40. So place value of 4 is 40. And 100 place one number is there, 5. So the place value for 5 is 500. Now we have to say about already I think you learn in second standard. Face value means what is the definition of face value? Face value is a numerical value depends only on digit itself at wherever place it may be. So what do you understand? Face value means simply you have to write the digit. That is the value of the particular digit. Okay. So the value of face value for 0 is 0. Face value of 4 is 4. Face value of 5 is 5. So now you have to compare the place value and face value. So 0, 0, 40, 4, 505. So which two number has same value? So yes, 0 and face value and face value are same in 0 only. Okay. So which digit have same place value and same face value? So 0 has the same place value and face value. Okay. Now see the third one. Write the distance of Shimla in word form and expanded form. So already in last class we learn about different types of writing the number. Okay, that is the in word form. How will you write in word form? How will you write? So word form means you have to write the number in number name. That is the word form. Okay. So 342 is given. For the 342 you have to write the number name. So you write this numeral in number name. That is word form. 342. Okay, I don't understand. So next one you have to write about expanded form. Okay, next you have to write in. So next one is we see about the expanded form. So how will you expand this number? What number is given? 342. So 342 is in 342 how many hundreds are there? 300. So 300. How many tens? 4 tens. So 4 tens 40 plus 2. So you have to expand this number 342 as 300 plus 42, 40 plus 2. This is the method of writing the number in expanded form. Okay. Next one we see about the fourth sum. See the fourth one. What is given? Complete the pattern by filling in the missing number. So some numbers are given. You have to observe the pattern. Then you have to fill the blanks. Okay. What is given in question? 242, 342, dash, dash, 642, dash. Okay. So now you have to observe the number. What do you observe? So see the number. What's the difference between these two numbers? So see the 1 space and 10 space value was same for both the number. Okay, here 242, here 342. So 1 space and 10 space values are same. Which one is different? 100 place is different. So how much is different? Here 2 is there, here 3. So the number is increased by 100. 100 we have to increase. Okay, first one 242, next 342. So you have to add 100 with this number. So 342 plus 100, 442. 442 plus 100, 542. And 642 is given. So next number is 742. Like that you have to observe the pattern and complete the following. Okay children, I hope you all understand this lesson. So you have to do the home assignment. I will given. Okay, today home assignment summers. When you refer your book, page number 17, quick assignment. Okay, only 2 sums are there. You have to complete. For the sum, you have to write the standard form. Already we see that expanded and word form. No, like that. One number name is given. For the number name, you have to write the standard form. Okay, the next one, second sum is you have, like fourth sum, you have to observe the pattern, then you have to complete the following. Thank you, student. I hope you are all understand. Thank you to all.